When working with light gauge sheet metal or even body panels, plug welding is a common process to put those two pieces together. Inverter power sources are awesome when trying to do plug welds because they have a very positive arc start. You don't get that stumble that you do with common transformer-based machines. That's important when doing a plug weld because you don't want the plug weld to burn through the backside. You want a positive arc start, and then you want to be able to wash that plug weld to the top piece of material that you're trying to connect to the bottom piece.
Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
So for me, I like to start the plug weld in the center of the plug and then do a circular pattern around the edge of it to connect the two pieces together.